This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Soyong Yu. Location, location, location. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own this 4-bay commercial property in a high-traffic main street of Gatesville. This high-visibility property is ideal for automotive repair, tire shop or something related with 4 large bays. With excellent street frontage and ample parking, this location provides consistent drive-by exposure and convenient access for both local and out-of-town customers. Whether you're expanding your business or starting fresh, this property has great potential. Come take a look today. Owner financing opportunity is available. For more information, review the details below or contact Soyong Yu at 254-547-9991.